Good morning, everyone. We are in week 5 of 8 of our tips, tricks, and tools that we are giving you to help you get the year off strong. This week, what I'm going to talk to you about is to create your first client appreciation event. Don't let the word event get you all nervous and think it's too big. I'm thinking something as simple as order the home show tickets, order some notepads to deliver to your clients in your database. Look into that website, the popbuys.com, and get an idea of something that you can drop off to your clients to do with Valentine's Day, whatever it may be, something that of small value that you're going to give to your clients just to say thank you, appreciate you being around your clients and your database. So that's the job for this week, is to do your first client appreciation event for the year. Good luck, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon.